All right, so our mystery box came in from Adam Polishes. They had a weekly sale last week. I think it was on Wednesday, and it was $80. You get a 5-gallon bucket and a bunch of random mystery items inside of it. I saw a picture, and they actually put up. Somebody got a 5-gallon drum of soap. We clearly didn't get a 5-gallon drum of soap, but let's see what we got. Boom, look at that shit. Oh snap. Oh snap. Let's see if you true fans know what color the bucket is. Boom. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bucket. Look at all these beautiful products. I'm not sponsored by Adam Polishes. Just because I have no idea whose products are better than whose. It's because we're mostly inexperienced. We have no idea about anything about detailing. So just gonna start somewhere and check it out. I believe next we're gonna try some things from Chemical Guys. Heard some good things about them. So see, first mystery item is a premium microfiber wash sponge. Boom, valued at $10. So they said if you spend $80 on the mystery bucket, you're guaranteed, I think it's like $120 guaranteed of stuff. So let's see what we get. Hey, look at that. So we actually bought something else in here, but we'll just subtract that from the end. Oof, look at this guy. We will have to figure out whatever this is, some type of sponge, some type of, maybe a waxing sponge. Looks pretty cool. Let's see. Tire Shine, Adam Polishes Tire Shine. Yeah, good job. All right, so we bought this separately because it was on sale, and we needed to, we want to get free shipping, so we bought one other item until they can beat the threshold. Just H2O, Garden Gloss. This is the original formula. This isn't their new formula. All right, fourth mystery item, tire rubber cleaner. So that's cool, we'll be able to do that, and then use that Tire Shine. Hopefully get a nice and shiny detailed tire. I got a couple brushes that I personally bought before, so hopefully everything goes together well. All right, so we got Adam Polishes Buttery Wax. It actually kind of looks like they literally put butter in a bottle and sold it as wax. It's kind of funny. It's either really funny or really stupid, what I just said. So we'll have to look with this one. Oh, so this one's Wheel Cleaner. Adam Polishes Wheel Cleaner. Dang, we got the whole tire set up. How'd they know? They knew I had the 20-inch. They knew I had the dubs. They knew I had the dubs. All right, this is pretty cool. A little tricky to apply though, but we might have to figure this one out. And this is the undercarriage spray. Luckily here in Texas, we don't have much salt or brine or anything that's used on the roads, so it's usually not too crazy big of a deal. But nonetheless. Single soft polishing towel. Boom. Our second applicator. Oh yeah. These are my favorite. Microfiber wheel wash mitts. I love putting them on my hand. They're great. Alright. Adam's Ultra Foam Shampoo. Cool. It's like a little foam shampoo. That looks interesting. Looks like a little sample. Maybe they're trying to get us to buy their main product. All right, we got 3 more bottles in here. Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. That's pretty dope, not gonna lie. We really got the hookup right now. This is a good deal for $80. This is a good deal. Car shampoo, boom. Wow. So that is 8 bottles already, mysterious, and here's number 9. Interior detailer, perfect. Because I actually spilled something kind of greasy the other day on my seat, and I gotta clean it. That's dope. All right, sick. And then we got a bunch of handles in here to put in some of those bottles and spray them. It looks like there's one to match every single one, so that's cool. And then there's a little 25% off coupon on here. Coupon. All right. So, yeah, let's pull this back out. In here, there's also 25% off the Ultra Foam Shampoo. So I guess they gave us this little trial, and now get a little coupon if you like it. Cool. Well, I think that's worth it. I don't know how high quality the products are, but I mean, I feel like I got a bang for my buck. I mean, the towels, I mean, those are expensive on themselves, and then trying out these cleaners, I mean, they gotta be the most popular for a reason. They gotta be decent. So we'll try them out, and then in the future, after we go through some of these, we'll compare them to Chemical Guys and see which one we like better. But I always love the buckets. That's my favorite part.
This is our entire lineup for our Adam Polishes mystery bucket. Got everything right here. Got all the towels, all the bottles, coupons, trials. So it's a pretty good haul. It's definitely well worth the $70. I think next time they do a bucket, I might have to get another one, depending how my inventory is. I hope that was funny for everybody like it was funny for her. Peace out.